Hey everyone, welcome back. This time I'm going to show you how you can keep a Duolingo streak while you are on a vacation, right? So you get inside your Duolingo app. As you can see in here, I have the streak of 118 days. And let's say I'm going on a vacation and I don't want to lose it, but I'm not going to learn throughout the time. So what you can do is basically utilize either streak freeze or streak shield. Right, so in here and at the top, when you click on the gems icon, the diamond icon, whatever it is, you get the shop of Duolingo, and you have a couple of items. You can see I have 3 streak freezes, which means that if I skip 3 days of not learning, then I'm still gonna be fine. After those 3 days, on 4th day, if I continue learning, my streak is gonna be fine and nothing's gonna happen to it. But in here, you can also click on the shield, which essentially protects it for 7 days. It is going to be a little bit more expensive, so you need to have 3,000 gems. So that's the downside. But, alongside with the freeze, you're going to keep your streak going even without using the app for quite a while, right? But you can as well expand it like this and buy all of them. Like if you have less than 3, then you can definitely buy more. So that's something you can do. But yeah, that's essentially it. Let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.